super cruise and full speed capability. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for freedom's thunder on the high-speed path! Set up to perform a Hoover pitch. This maneuver is a double knife edge separated by an inverted tuck, followed by a pistol lineup in preparation for our heritage flight. This will be another great opportunity to capture the Raptor on your camera during our demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, named after the late legendary Bob Hoover, the Raptor.